So you're thinking of leaving Questrade? Let's face it, the investment world is vast. Maybe you're a seasoned trader seeking a different platform, or perhaps you're a new investor who's decided Questrade isn't the perfect fit. Whatever the reason, closing your account is a possibility. But before you hit that button, a crucial question lingers. Does it cost anything to say goodbye to Questrade? The good news? There's no penalty for leaving. Questrade itself doesn't charge any account closure fees. This applies to all account types, whether you're a casual investor with a basic account or a high-volume trader with a margin account. That's a win right off the bat. No hidden fees to snag you on the way out. But hold on a second, closing an investment account isn't always a straightforward process. There might be some hidden costs lurking beneath the surface, so let's dig a bit deeper. Consider your account balance first. Questrade won't close your account if you still have holdings or cash sitting there. They need a clean slate before waving you goodbye. So, you'll need to either sell any remaining investments or transfer them to another brokerage. This is where things can get interesting, because selling those investments might incur trading commissions depending on your chosen plan. Brush up on Questrade's commission structure. They offer different pricing plans, so the fees for selling your stocks, ETFs, or options will vary. Make sure you understand the costs before hitting the sell button. Tax implications are another hurdle to consider. Remember, selling investments can trigger capital gains or losses. Depending on your situation, you might owe taxes on those gains. It's always wise to consult a tax advisor before making any major investment decisions, especially when closing an account. Now, let's talk about registered accounts. If you're closing an RRSP, RESP, TFSA, LIRA, or LRSP, there might be additional considerations. These accounts have specific contribution rules and withdrawal limitations set by the Canadian government. There's a chance you could face deregistration fees depending on the type of account and how you choose to withdraw your funds. For instance, if you simply withdraw cash from your RRSP, you'll likely be hit with a withholding tax. This isn't a fee from Questrade, but a tax consequence managed by the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA. On the other hand, transferring your RRSP holdings to another RRSP provider typically avoids these fees. The key takeaway? While Questrade doesn't charge closure fees, there might be indirect costs associated with selling your investments, dealing with potential capital gains taxes, and navigating registered account withdrawal rules. So, before you say farewell to Questrade, take some time to understand your account balance and any associated trading commissions for selling holdings. Consider potential tax implications of selling your investments. Research withdrawal options for registered accounts, especially regarding deregistration fees. By planning carefully, you can ensure a smooth and cost-effective exit from Questrade. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and shouldn't be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.